So I'm out here at Texas City Dike. We've been fishing for several hours, caught a bunch of little sand trout. My buddy Dylan and Joe's already gone home. There's my buddy, Mr. James. Got us a nice little campfire going right here. There's James over there. Yeah, we're diehard. We stay out here till we get it done. And if we don't get it done, at least we can't say we didn't try. Anyway, we cooked some sausage on the pit. Got my little barbecue pit over there, somewhere behind the back of the truck right there. Let's see if I can get you over there. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. Anyway, yeah. So far it's pretty fun. We probably caught about 20 little sand trout, but nothing major. But anyway, that's our Friday night, Saturday morning. Peace.